students, today we are to continue chapter 5, The Summit Within, written by Major C.B.S.E. Ahluwalia. We have read in the previous module that after climbing Mount Everest, Major Ahluwalia had the feeling of humility and thanked God for his successful attempt. In this module, we are going to read while getting down from the Everest, and when physical exhaustion had gone, he asked himself why he had climbed Everest, as there was nothing higher to climb, as it changed the climber completely. He said to himself if his memory would fade away with the passing time of climbing the highest mountain. He wanted to know the answers of his question, why he had done the impossible. According to him, the simplest answer, as it is very difficult to climb up the mountains. So, the people want to achieve this difficulty as greatness, because the summit is here something to achieve. It is difficult and risky adventure. Man is delighted to overcome all odds. One takes delight in overcoming obstacles. He further says that the obstacles in climbing mountains are physical. Climbing to a top means endurance, persistence, and willpower. It means it is the test of man's stamina and strong willpower. The author accepts that the demonstrations of these physical qualities are undoubted, exhilarating. The writer has a great liking for mountains from his childhood. He has been attracted by mountains. He feels lost when away from mountains. Everest is the highest and mightiest of them all. It is a great struggle against rock and ice. It is a feeling of victory and happiness. Major Ahluwalia says that there is a joy of having done something which only a few can do. He believes that the mountains help to communicate with God. Looking at the peak from a distance, he is transported to another world. He has a mystical feeling. Everest is very high and difficult. In fact, the difficulties of climbing Everest are huge. This is what attracts him. It is a challenge that he finds difficult to resist. According to him, it is irresistible to face the challenge of overcoming the obstacles. Finally, Major Ahluwalia accepts that Everest is not just a physical climb. The man who has been on the mountain's top becomes conscious towards doing good acts, helping others, and in special manner of his own smallness in this large universe. I hope you will be able to understand the real experience and adventures act of a real hero. Let's see what we have learned from this content. Question number 1 is, why do the people climb Mount Everest? Your options are, it is very difficult to climb up the mountains, so people want to achieve this difficulty as greatness. Next option is, it is very easy to climb up the mountains, so people want to achieve this difficulty as greatness. Next option is to become famous, and the last option is none of these. Correct option is, it is very difficult to climb up the mountains, so people want to achieve this difficulty as greatness. Next is, which of the following statements is correct? Options are that the demonstrations of these mental qualities are dauntedly exhilarating. Next option is, the author accepts that the demonstration of these mental qualities are undoubtedly exhilarating. Next option is the author accepts to fail difficulties, or none of these. The correct option is the author accepts that the demonstration of these mental qualities are undoubtedly exhilarating. Ahluwalia is transported to another world as he has a religious feeling, he has a mystical feeling, he has a doubtful feeling, or he has a reasonable feeling. The correct option is he has a mystical feeling. Next question is, which statement of the following is right? Options are, Everest is not just a mental climb, Everest is not just a physical climb, Everest is just a physical climb, or Everest is just a mental climb. Correct option is Everest is not just a physical climb. Now students, let's come to practice time. Here we come to working for the story. Question number 1 is, what are the 3 qualities that played a major role in the author's climb? Second is, why do, according to the author, people want to climb Mount Everest? That's it for today kids. Till then, keep learning, keep thinking high. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.